What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, IV10. We back again with another banger, man. Today we're gonna be watching Shakktown feature 43Crash and Pistol Packing, man. Hey. Y'all remember last time we reacted to Shakktown? He ain't had no feature on it, man. I ain't gonna lie, he was a little iffy. He said he didn't use Band Lab, and I see that he used Band Lab. It ain't no music video, but it's the official audio. But hey, you feel me? Shout out to YouTube boys. Shout out to Shakktown. Shout out to 43Crash. And hey, before we get into this video, hope y'all like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notification so I can get notified blooper. So y'all can get notified every time I post a video, man. Hey, leave in the comments what video y'all want me to react to next, and hey, let's get to the video.
Yeah.
We got the let's see. I'm liking the beat. I'll start off.
Pistol packing, you know I'm not like it. Hop in the whip and I put your star. Run for me, I let.
He better than last time. Hey, give him his props. He was better than last time. No cap.
And the blow, claim me slap, I wipe his nose. Slide on the block, I'm clutching the Glock. Catch me off, it's on the floor. Pop up with killers, you know how we coming. Hop up with glitches, you know we ain't lacking. Chase that down, try to see what the deal. Cause
all I want to know is all this real? Cause if you can't be lying on the song, man. Is all this real? I'm just acting.
like we clap this man, this on the game, we kill your team. Those secrets, this shit get tracked. Hop in the whip, my wins are tennis. Slide on the block, niggas be tucked. Gas thick glass, feel like John Wick. Step on niggas with dirty stick. This on my name, I let it blow. Pop out the cut, hit it with the pole. Pave your hood to do the dash. Call us up and I empty the clip. Hop in the car, you know we gon' blitz. Catching on bad, hit it with the K. Fuck on your hoe, she think I'm a menace. Hit a bitch up, she think I'm the greatest.
I told you don't play with the shake back, he tryna diss me.
Hey, the feature, hey, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't expecting that. Hold on, let me run that back real quick, hold on.
That call us up and I empty the clip. Hop in the car, you know we gon' blitz. Catching on bad, hit it with the K. Fuck on your hoe, she think I'm a menace. Hit a bitch up, she think I'm the greatest.
I told you don't play with the shake back, he tryna diss me and get his face back. You ain't gon' shoot it, I'm coming to take that. When your gun be cleaner than Ajax, claim me a shooter, he ain't catching no.
He said your gun be cleaner than Ajax. Hey, that's tough. Your gun be clean. That mean you ain't do nothing with it. Hey, I'm not saying do something with it, but hey, that mean you ain't do nothing with it.
Bodies, I'ma box me a nigga like Roddy. Me and the function, I snuck in the Glocky. We sliding a little pump where I hop out with Shotty. I was shocking, you know we on. Smell like that off the Gucci, my cologne. I told you to leave me alone, don't bother me. Got the t-shirt from Belong.
Okay.
Mix it with it, then I'ma be gone. Man, these niggas be soft for the tissue. Play with the gang, your family gon' miss you. Fly off the chop, they be coming like missiles.
Pistol packing, you know I'm not like it. Hop in the whip and I put you.
Hey, ain't gonna cap. Hey, let me put my little input in real quick. You feel me? This a reaction. This not me watching me. Nah, this a reaction, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all should did it the other way around. The 43Crash should have came with the hook. But hey, the 43Crash should have came with the hook and stuff. With the other verse, he should have came on like the second verse or something like that. But you feel me? It would have been hard, but it's hard like this too. No cap. Let me finish.
Run for me, I let it blow. Pay me slide, I wipe it nose. Slide on the block, I clutch the clock. Catch it up, it's all the blow. Pop up with killers, you know how we coming. Hop up with glitches, you know we ain't lacking. Chase that down, try to see what the deal. Call her like we clap this man. This on the game, we kill your team. Those secrets, this shit get tracked. Hop in the whip, my wins are tennis. Slide on the block, niggas be tucked. Gas thick glass, feel like John Wick. Step on niggas with dirty stick.
I ain't gonna cap. I like this beat. No cap. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, last time I reacted to Shakktown, it was a little iffy. This one, you did way much better. I appreciate you. I give you your flowers. You feel me? And I like how 43Crash came on that beat and he just smoked that motherfucker. No cap. Hey, no cap. If y'all want me to react to one of these two, send me their songs into my Instagram. Send it to my Instagram or leave it in the link below or leave it in the comments below. But like I said, hey, hold on, let me talk to y'all real quick. Like, I want to talk to y'all. You feel me? I want to talk to y'all. You feel me? 2K. Like, hey, I already know what y'all probably saying. I'm probably saying this the same video. The other video, it's the same. I'm doing this the same night. You feel me? The grind don't stop, man. If you don't stay on the grind, you're gonna waste your time. But hey, 2K24, you know, I ain't gonna say too much. You know, 2K24, when that come out, you gonna see a lot more gaming streams and stuff from me, like the old days. You feel me? Hey, all I gotta do is wait. I'm taking 2K back over. But hey, Ivy on top, but it's your boy Ivy Tay. And we out with another banger. Peace.
S block, I stand on everything with my chest out. Checkmate.
Before you go to war, make sure your check straight. I ask my pops like when you coming home, how long this shit gon' be? We